video, I'm showing how to make lollipop molds and resin lollipop earrings. You'll need chopper chomps, shot glasses, pegs to hold the lollipops, liquid silicone rubber. Add equal parts to a bowl. Then you're going to mix for 3 minutes. Once all mixed together, you're going to pour over your lollipop just to the top so there's a little bit showing. Once that's done, you're going to let set for 2 hours or until firm. Once the molds are done, you're going to pull them out of the shot glasses and then you're going to demold them, take the lollipop out. Then you're going to get an earring finding and your mold, and you're going to push through an earring finding like I am doing here, straight through the middle. Then you're going to find something that you can sit your mold on. I've chosen a beer can for mine. Once you've got them all set and ready to go, you're going to mix some epoxy resin. I've chosen pink for mine. That's what it looks like in the inside. Pour in your resin. Once poured, you're going to add the stick in, like I am doing right here. Then you're going to let set for 2 hours. Once all set and cured, you're going to demold them. That's what they look like. Then I've got my looper to make some loops. Add your earring finding. And now you got lollipop earrings. How cool. Give it a go, guys. It's so easy. Cheers.